Now, this is how you can set a voice memo as a ringtone on an iPhone. Let's get started. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and you'll never miss anything. So at first, make sure you run the iOS 26, which is like the latest version of iOS. Make sure you update to proceed. Now, open up the Files app, the Voice Memos app like that. Then click on the voice memo which you want to save, and essentially I want you to click on the three dots next to it, tap on share, and then click on save to files. So you can proceed with this. Just save it to a random location somewhere. It might be a folder which you know of, or whatever it might be, right? So you just click right there and save it. Then you will return to the Files app and find the thing which you just saved, which is going to be this voice memo. And you can hold down again on this sound, right? And then click on share, and you can see we have the ability to use it as a ringtone, which again is a kind of a new thing. It has been recently added with the iOS 26, but you can tap on this and just use that audio. You can use this file right here as your ringtone, which makes it a lot easier compared to the options below. Before we had the iOS 26, so that's how you can do this, and you're going to be good to go. So that's going to be about it for me. Let me know if it worked, subscribe if it did, and I'll catch you later.